Hey guys, welcome back. Doing an oil change on a Can-Am Defender Limited HD10. In order to get to the oil filter, this is basically what you gotta do, both seats on this side, the console. And then there's a little cover here that I got off. Down in this hole right here is your oil filter cover. It's a 8mm socket to get them 3 bolts out. I already got the oil drained out, and that was a 17mm socket to get the drain plug out. Yes, that's the cover there. I got one of the bolts out so far. I'm just going to grab them other two. I'll show you when I pull out the filter. Alright guys, there's the oil filter cover. Okay. So there's your filter out. It was a little bit stuck there. I had to give it a wiggle to get it out, but and here we got a oil change kit. All the good stuff in here. Okay. This guy here, we'll peel him off. Yeah. Very, very slippery. I put some oil all around that new O-ring that I put on there. Because I got them bolts all threaded all the way in by hand, I'm just going to give them a little, tighten them up a little bit. These are only small little bolts, so you don't got to be real tight with them. Just snug them down good. Alright, so our filter's in and our cover's back on. I think that's pretty much all you got to do in there. If you're doing a spark plug, you'll definitely want to do it at this point. So I'm just going to go ahead and reassemble all this, and yeah, I don't think there's anything there that is exciting enough to show you. Alright guys, this is where you fill up your oil here. You get right between the, well, that's the air conditioning pump on this one, and the exhaust. I always put the 2 liters in and then check it before I put the other half in. I think a lot of people just dump it all in and call it good. I ended up putting that other ½ liter in there, so all the oil from the kit. And we're all set on the oil change. Next, I'm going to grease everything up and change the dip fluids. Guys, we're doing the rear diff now. You can see where I got my funnel in there. It's right next to where I put the engine oil in. There we go. And I already put 900 mils in. A little over 900 mils. I'm just gonna add this bottle. These ones take 1.9 liters. Yes, that's it for this one. It took 17 mil to get both the fill and the drain out of it. $1.9 liters. Pretty straightforward, and anyways, we're going to move on to the front diff. Alright guys, I'm just doing the front diff on this Can-Am Defender. It's a 5 mil Allen key on the bottom to drain it, and it's an 8 mil Allen key on the side to open up the fill, and that's going to take 400 mils of oil. And this one says right on the side that it takes 75 W90, 400 mils right on the side of the Diff there. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.